team at Rhino Coffee Gear would like to introduce you to the new Rhino Tall and Compact Coffee Grinders. Both the grinders feature a new style hex handle and lug design, resulting in smoother grinding motion and stronger build. A snug fitting grounds catcher makes sure that your grounds stay in place while you're grinding. And as always, these grinders feature a premium ceramic burr, which stays sharper for longer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.